Good evening, everybody. Welcome aboard the Clipper Winnebago with the Sunset Dinner Cruise, Dells Boat Tours. Take the beautiful evening to come out here on the upper dells of the Wisconsin River. I'll take a journey through the upper dells a few miles up and stop at Witch's Gulch. You see a lot of sights and sounds along the way. Some of the best things in life. Beautiful music, great scenery, and delicious food. To get introductions out of the way, your dinner tonight is catered by the Chula Vista Resort, a resort you'll see up on the right-hand side of the river a couple miles upstream. Your chef tonight is Owain. Your servers are Andres, Donnie, and Brian. And your bartender is Hector. So if you have anything in the food and beverage department, you get a hold of them. As far as boat operations go, there are 4 of us on board. Here on the top deck,